Hey guys, I'm Holly, and today we will be solving a problem from Chapter 11, Section 3A, and the problem is number 17. It is on the board for you for reference, and the problem is asking us to find what x is out of this six-sided figure, which is a hexagon. So we first have to find what the interior angles are, and usually I draw triangles and I choose one vertex or points to create all the lines and then count how many triangles I can create. So I'm gonna choose this one right here because it's like centered. And with each triangle, remember there's only 3 sides, so we have to count how many sides there are. Can't see it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 times 180, which will equal us to 720. So that's our total of inches. So after we get all of our triangles and our interior angles, we're going to have to add all of our angles that we know, or you can subtract them individually by our interior angle. I just like to add them all up and then subtract, just to make sure I have it all together. So let's start with 110 plus 105 215 plus 142 7 122 574 and 130 609 is our total adding, and then we'll just subtract it by our 720. So we gotta substitute. So 10 minus 9 is 1, 1 minus 0 is 1, 7 minus 6 is 1. So we get 111 degrees for x. There we go.